Okay, scholars, now we're going to classify triangles in the coordinate plane. And to do that, we need to use the distance formula, which is D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. Okay? So we're going to start with JK. This is x1 and y1, x2 and y2 for this particular set. So it's going to be the square root of -7 minus -9 quantity squared plus -7 minus 1 quantity squared. And you're going to put that in the calculator. You can use the Desmos calculator. Just leave off the square root sign so that you'll get a square root answer and not a decimal. So that's going to equal the square root of 68. Then you're going to do it again with K and L. Uh-oh, I need my eraser. K and L. So you're going to have K and L, and that is the square root of x2, which is -1 minus -9 quantity squared plus -1 y2. It's just +1. Let me erase that. Which is 1 minus -1. Okay, y'all got this right. Quantity squared. -1 minus 1. I have this backwards. And it really isn't going to make a difference because when you put it in the calculator, you're still going to square it, so it's going to be different. So, which is y2, which would be -1 minus 1 quantity squared. And that's going to equal the square root of 68. And then you're going to have JL, which is the square root of x2, which is -1 minus -7 quantity squared plus -1 minus -7 quantity squared. And that should equal the square root of 72. And you're going to classify this by looking at your definition. So the definition that fits this is isosceles triangle, where you have two congruent sides. This is a side and this is a side, and they're congruent. They're the same measure, so this is an isosceles triangle. And the rest of these are just the same. So I'm going to leave those to you to figure out how to do the rest of them, and we'll see you in the next video.